Hey, if you want to turn on or off the noise cancelling on your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, you got two methods. The first one, you can do this in the Huawei AI Live application by simply going to the noise control panel. I'm gonna put the earbuds into my ears, and here we are able to switch between the noise cancellation, awareness, and we can simply turn it off just like that. And also you can use the gestures. So to do this, we have to go a little bit we have to scroll down, go to the gestures, and here we've got option to go to the pinch and the hold when we can control the noise cancellation. So right here in this place you can find touch sensor, and when you pinch and hold it, you are going to turn on the noise cancellation. We are gonna switch between the noise control. So let me show you how it works. As you can see, we switch to the noise cancellation from the off. Let's click and hold one more time. And right now we switch to the awareness. So all I have to do, just simply pinch and hold this sensor. And that's how we can do this. That's all for this video. Bye bye.